Sometimes real estate is not always pretty. Look at what we're dealing with over here. Sometimes we buy other people's problems. We've got this big box elder maple, I think, if you're an arborist, help us out, that over time has competed with, smashed, and broken our Orangeburg sewer line. So this is an Orangeburg pipe. It's kind of like a fiber wrapped with kind of a tar outer. Honestly, when I get down there and touch that pipe, it feels like 30-pound felt. But you can see here it's smashed. You can see the big root that we cut out that was on top of the pipe. So it crushed it. It's no longer circular. It's like flat. And there's a big hole in it. Okay, there was a time when I would get down here and I would cut into that line and I would fix it. I'm not too good for this type of work, but those days are past. So we've got a plumber showing up on Monday. They're gonna cut it here. We're gonna cut it here. We're gonna scope the rest of the line. And if it's in good shape, we're gonna keep it. If not, we're gonna replace the whole line from the corner of the house. It's about 60 feet, all the way out here. And we would cut into the sewer main on this side of the manhole probably, and it's about 8 feet down, 86 inches to be exact. That's why we sawned the pipe so we know the exact depth, and that's about a $20,000 job. And if we can repair it here and the rest of the line is good, we're going to keep it. And we got approval from the city to remove this tree, and as much as I hate to take it down for all of its shade, it's blew out our sewer line. It's heaving. You can see here there's a little bit of a heave of the sidewalk, and then it's also starting to compete with the slab over here of the covered front porch. So we gotta take this tree down. Breaks my heart, but we're gonna do it. Anyways, that's why we like to buy properties that have good infrastructure. If the property has bad infrastructure or damaged infrastructure, we have to make sure we price that into our purchase. Hope that helps.